Alright, what is good, Crashers? Here today, it's your boy Rockin' Ryno. Welcome back to another video where today we're going to be making some homemade pumpkin pie. We went out, we grew these pumpkins, these beautiful pumpkins. We didn't really grow them, but we're taking some pumpkins we got from the store, some pie making ones, and we're going to turn them into some pumpkin pie, and we're going to be making a homemade crust too. Let's get straight into it. Alright, first cut your two smallish pie pumpkins in half right down the middle. And then you're going to want to gut each pumpkin and separate the seeds from the gooey inside and save the seeds for later because you can go watch my roasted pumpkin seed video to find out what to do with them. Afterwards, lay your pumpkin halves on a baking sheet and place in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 45 minutes and bake. After the pumpkins have baked for 45 minutes, take them out of the oven and set them aside to cool for about 20 minutes. Man, that came off easy. Peter Piper pulled the pumpkins out of the oven to cool to the perfect temp for peeling the pumpkin skins. Sick! A new take on an old tongue twister. Despite all your rage, smash the pumpkins like the like button. Comment down below your favorite Smashing Pumpkins song. In a separate bowl, combine 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of cloves, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and whisk those all together until evenly combined. Afterwards, add the spice mixture into the pumpkins and mix it all together until everything is evenly incorporated. There's our mascot. Crack 4 eggs over the edge of your bowl and add them into the pumpkin spice mixture. Then you're going to want to add in 2 14-ounce cans of sweetened condensed milk. Mix that all together until a smooth batter forms, and check out my other pie crust video to figure out how to make the crust for this pumpkin pie. And here's an awesome montage of me making the pie crust. Then you're going to want to evenly divide the pumpkin filling between the 2 pie crusts. Yes, this pie recipe makes 2 pies. And place the 2 pies in the oven at 425 degrees for about 15 minutes. Prayers to my subscriber Ashton, who's recovering from surgery. Get well soon. Reduce heat to 350 and bake for an additional 30 to 40 minutes. Once you think the pie's done, take it out of the oven and place a toothpick inside the middle of the pie. And if it comes out clean, then your pie is done. This one looks done, so I'm going to put it on a rack to cool for about 2 hours. Serve with a little whipped cream, and it's delicious. making these delicious pumpkin pies. They look awesome. The color is nice. They got that nice orange color. It just looks amazing. And we got some whipped cream on the top. Comment down below if you want to see a short on how to make the whipped cream. Okay, and I got my brother here taste testing with me. The one and only pretty good bro, dude. He doesn't say anything else except for pretty good bro. Pretty good bro. Let's taste this without the whipped cream first.
Pretty good, bro.
Mmm. 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 Okay. I guess he's just mowing down on that thing, but I like the pie. The crust is really good. Okay, I love it. It pairs perfectly with the pumpkin pie.
Good, bro.
And it's absolutely delicious. Let me try it with
good,
the
bro.
eggnog whipped cream. Okay, comment down below if you want a short. Mmm. And that whipped cream really goes good with it too. I like that, you know, the cinnamon kind of adds a spicy, like kind of a spice to it, but not too intense, just like kind of a flavor. No. Alright. It adds a nice flavor. It all pairs well. Check out my Instagram, my TikTok, like, subscribe, and comment.